Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you here about help you how you scale text in Figma. Okay, so first of all, that's gonna be really helping you a lot of things. Is still to be really satisfied with what you're gonna do is about to understand how the video is really actually working on the satisfied progress that we can have it. Okay, so first of all, what it should be really important to deal with that is to follow this video. That's gonna be actually helping you a lot of things that is really to be important to do that. So what you're gonna do is about start to click here on that text icon on the bottom. Now start to add any text that you want. Okay, so I would like to start to increase its font, so you can actually scroll right corner on the toolbar, then I started to change the font size would be like this. Now we started to take the scale moment like this. Okay, so actually if you would like to start to scale, you should actually start to have a certain size of font, and this gonna be actually being maintained with the scale. The font is size is being maintained with the scale size. Okay, so that is actually how it works. So that's all about to help you how you scale that text, and I hope you see this video helpful, and thank you for